Hi, welcome to another edition of ecopenny. This time I'm going to work on the penny farthing to prepare it for the Mudgee Classic race on the 1st of May 2022 this year. I'm going to do the 40km social classic, so that should be a fun ride on the penny. The longest race I've done so far is a 32km or 20-mile race at Evandale in 2020. There'll be a link up here to that video. This is the beginning of the 32k race. So this is going to be 40 kilometres, a bit longer, so I'm going to have to start doing a bit more training. So I'm just going to modify the penny. What I'm going to do is add some lights, add a mirror and a bell, because I recommend those accessories for any road cycling, just for extra visibility and extra safety. I'm going to remove the rear mudguard too, to allow me to use the back foot for some foot braking on the actual rear tyre for downhills as well. So I'm going to add these accessories, show you how I'll do it, and then after that I'll have to do some training sessions to build my fitness back up so I can do the 40km ride. So I'll start with the easy thing first. I've got a eye front headlight. It's rechargeable, so just hold the button down for a few seconds. You've got different light modes, different flashing modes, so it's just to help with visibility when you're riding the bike. It's actually quite bright. Probably have it on something like that if I'm road cycling. So all you've got to do is put the elastic around, just clip it on, so I can take this off if I'm doing a parade or some sort of event. I've just got to make sure my knees don't hit this, so I need to do a test ride. There we go. Headlights fitted. It's a similar deal. Got a rear eye light. Hold it down for a few seconds and you've got a few different modes. Similar system to clip it on, so you don't want to go above here because it's going to get in the way of the footstep. Stretch the elastic around, and again that can come off if I'm doing the parade or something. I'm going to have to move this when I do the mudguard in a second, but I'll leave that there for now. So this is a Z-Full mirror off the mountain bike, same one that's on the Trekker road bike as well. So penny farthing, I'll just borrow it for these sorts of things. So this one just clips on as well, so I can just clip it on and then take this off if I'm doing an event or parade or something. We'll set to work on the mudguard, so I'm going to plan to rest my shoe on the back tyre on a downhill to slow down the speed, more just as an emergency option. So I've got a 5mm Allen key and a 4mm down here, so we'll try the 5mm. One on the other side, 4mm. Oh, that's good. That was easier than I thought, so just got to put the mudguard in a safe place with the bolts to put back on for if I'm doing a parade. There's another Allen key down here. I'll try and take the bracket off. She looks a bit naked now. Got a little bit of a problem to solve with the bell. This clamp here is too big to fit on here, so I'm just going to have to get some rubber to wrap around the bar so this will fit. Here's some that I've prepared earlier. Just going to wrap that around the handlebar just to give it a bit of extra thickness. Loose now, and I can put this mudguard back on if I'm doing a parade or something.